everyone, it's Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with another video. I have teamed up with Dollar Tree again to bring you another tutorial. I don't normally decorate for all holidays. However, I have been trying to incorporate some more holiday decor in my home. Now, I don't like having to redecorate completely for a specific holiday. Rather, I like to add small pieces and touches like this that can be added to my existing decor. Now, right now, moss statues of animals are actually very popular, especially in the spring. So I went to my local Dollar Tree and my craft store, and I found a couple of things that work perfectly for this project. And in this tutorial, I show you how to replicate this very cute Easter bunny made out of moss. You will first need a 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter embroidery hoops, and I use the insides. Now, I just basically glued them together with a hot glue gun, and then I started adding the moss with hot glue as well. Now, this is a very messy process. You are going to get moss and hot glue everywhere. Just be careful to not burn yourself when you press down on the moss, because of course it is very hot. Make sure you get around, underneath, and everywhere, since this is a 3D statue and you will see it from all angles. But leave a space for the bottom and 2 spaces for the ears. Now, I didn't show this, but I cut out 2 bunny ears made out of white foam board, also available at Dollar Tree. It's pretty large, so you can use it for several projects. Now, you want to make sure you cover the entire ear, leaving the bottom part so that you can adhere it better onto the embroidery hoop with hot glue. Just make sure that when you're ready to glue, you hold it down until it dries so that it actually adheres properly onto the embroidery hoop and it doesn't fall off. Now, I also like to squeeze down on my moss so it stays nice and compact, and I also like to trim with my scissors to take care of any excess. Now, because I wanted it to stand up like a statue, I took an unfinished wood plaque from my local craft store and I glued the embroidery hoop down onto it. I used both E6000 and hot glue. The E6000 was going to provide a more stable and firm hold, while the hot glue was going to hold it in place while the E6000 dried. Then I took more moss, covered the rest of the base, and then added a really pretty white rose from a floral bush from Dollar Tree, and I glued it onto the center to create the illusion of a cute little bunny's tail. And that's basically it for this tutorial. Now you can give it your own twist and make it larger, put it on a door like a wreath, stain that base to match your decor, or even put a ribbon or different color flowers on it to suit your style. I hope you like this inexpensive and easy Easter tutorial, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, please make sure to hit subscribe so that you get to see more tutorials like this, and hit the like button so that I know that you enjoyed this video. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!